Can't really open this easily one-handed, but... And so, my assistants will handle. So these are the bags. Wow, this one is for Brother Ray. You can see Journey Designs, Kathy's Journey. Call them also Kathy's bags. And this one is for my top case. And again, you can see that there's a bag here with a strap that comes inside. That's nice. Pretty good size for secondary items. And then Cordura, so it's certainly robust. And yeah, just a big compartment in here. And as you can see, it will open like this. So it'll sit in the top case like this. And then you can open it and get all your stuff out that way. But the big thing too is that then you can carry it into your camp or hotel this way. Many thanks to my esteemed assistant, accordion to Karen, for the video work here too. So now I'm gonna take a look at how the Kathy's Journey Design 46-liter Givi top case bag goes in. So I'm going to turn it around, as you can see. So the idea is that it acts as a liner for the bag, allowing me to put all my bigger stuff down here. It's got a cool zipper thing here for it's kind of loose, smaller stuff. Plus, I think the upper bag, the outer bag, plus this outer pocket will work nicely for things I need to get to during a ride that are small enough. Bug spray, the umbrella if I want to move that from the side case over here. So let's, I have a few things that I usually keep in here, so let's put them in and see how she looks. So I really don't have a lot to put in now since I'm not going on a trip, but I can see putting things like bug spray, an extra flashlight. This is my spoon for eating. Maybe I'll stick that up there. My lock for doing bags. Actually, I think this will go up here. I've got my quick spray, plexus spray, a rag, and also my cable lock that I like to put through the sleeve of my jacket if I'm gonna lock gear onto the bike. That'll go there, and honestly, I think this is great. And then, you know, when I go into a hotel room, I just grab this and go. So, super happy with this, and that adds to my set of Journey Design luggage. So go to, if you can see that, kathysjourneydesigns.com is the URL. Thanks for listening, and as always, click the bell to get notified of new videos. Click the link to subscribe to the channel. Love it if you click like for this video, and as always, make sure the kickstand's down, key is turned off and in your pocket before you pop that first top. Drink responsibly, and thanks a lot for listening to Brothers, Bikes, and Bourbon.